right, you guys, this is what my living room is looking like right now as they are about to put in my new sectional. So I'm super excited about it. The old furniture was super drafty and I've had it for a long time. So this is the new sectional, you guys. I really, really love it. It is super comfortable, super plush. Absolutely love it.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoy what I got to show you guys today. So if you're following me on Instagram, you may have already seen that I got a new couch on last week. So with this video, I just wanted to show you how I style it and also my take on a muted neutral fall look. Stick around, watch, thumbs up, comment, subscribe. All of those things are helpful for my channel. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. Bye-bye.
Right now, I am just showing you guys what this space has looked like over this past week that I've had this couch. I haven't done anything to it. These are just some of the old pillows from the old sofa and love seat that was once in here. I don't like the way that the rug is positioned, so I think I might switch that around. That worked best when I had two separate couches, but now having this sectional, I don't know if I like this position. So I did purchase a lot of pillows to go on this new couch. I wanted to focus on the texture versus the color. And I did want to make sure they were like muted nudes and soft neutral colors. So I got some of these from Target and Kirkland's, and I absolutely love them. So here I have just laid out everything, some of the things I've just purchased, as well as things that I've already had around the house. You don't have to break the bank just to redecorate for the seasons. Try walking through your home and seeing what things can be repositioned in other places or fit best in other spaces, and see what you can recreate. Here I am just breaking down this living room, turning the rug around, breaking down the sofa, trying to reposition it. just getting things set up so it can best fit my current aesthetic. I am super ready to get this started. This is the next morning after, this is Monday morning. I went to buy these things on Sunday. I should have gave myself longer than just one day to purchase things, but I was in a rush and I had a busy weekend, so I'm pretty satisfied with the things that I got. Here now you just see me trying to figure out what position I want to put these pillows. Pillows are actually expensive, so I just decided to do each corner of this sectional and give it like a even 3-pillow kind of situation. Again, I focused on the textures. I love how these pillows warmed up this couch. I definitely hope you guys enjoyed this and share some of the things that you've done on your own to update your home for the fall in the comments. I hope you guys continue to follow along with me on this journey and like, comment, thumbs up, and subscribe. I am still in disbelief that I updated this entire kitchen, you guys. I cannot believe I did this myself. I am super proud of it and I enjoy this space. It feels so good in person. So thank you guys again for watching. Please thumbs up, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let's get the conversation going. I am just taking this one down and I am going to replace it with this one. So yeah, it was at this moment that I stopped really filming for the wreath. But here is what it looks like. Yeah, thanks for watching.